Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about Bitcoin in general and one of the hard stock about Bitcoin mining right now. So stick around because I think you are gonna find this video of value as well. So welcome back. Let's get right into Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now, by the way, you all must know that cryptocurrencies in general are the only, so to say, you cannot really call it like stocks or shares, but market tradings assets that you can transact over the weekend as well. That's the terminology that I come across. But I just want to tell you that you can trade Bitcoin over the weekend in general, as well as cryptos in general. And you can see Bitcoin today had a massive move actually. The last 5 days, if you look at it, it was trading at some point around 32, and right now it's trading at 35,511 US. 35,511 US dollars. But that's not the point I want to talk about. I want to talk about Bitcoin in general, that Bitcoin is one currency that has been talked about in the last 6 months massively. So we know some of the billionaires like Mark Cuban, for instance, is highly in favor of it. Then we have Elon Musk from Tesla. Obviously, Elon was then obviously turning is back on Bitcoin, talking about the environmental aspects of Bitcoin not being useful, and if the mining becomes slightly better for the environment in general, then he would prefer that one can obviously then buy Tesla back with Bitcoin. There was at one point he was tweeting about that you can buy with Bitcoin Tesla, and then he took a U-turn on that one. So I want to talk about Bitcoin in general, that there was a point Bitcoin came in 2008, 2009, then it had a boom, slight boom, I think back in 2013, 2017, and then obviously 2020 to 2021. And right now it's fluctuating around somewhere between this 32 to 37, 38. So if you look at it, that's the point where let's look at the 6-month chart. So if you look at it, I would look at it right here from January 14th, which was January 12th to July 4. So you see it's in that range, 34,000 US dollars, and right now July 4 is 35,000 US dollars. So this, in the last 6 months in total, obviously you saw that it had a massive peak, reached up to 65,000 at some point. This peak has not been shown here. It tells you that as long as Bitcoin stays the currency for internet does need one currency where people can transact easily the so to say currency for internet, and as long as it stays away from manipulation of governments in general, I think Bitcoin will do well. There has been some billionaires talking about it, that Bitcoin, if it reaches its market cap of 10 trillion, right about market cap of gold, which is around about 10 trillion, it will take over gold and will become the currency in general. So I personally think that for sure can happen, and that will happen. For that to happen, Bitcoin will have to have, right now Bitcoin's market cap is somewhere around 560 billion. It's not been mentioned here, but if for that to happen, it has to reach market cap of 500,000 US dollars, and then it might be that it will take over the gold and then become the globalized digital currency, so to say, our store of value. So I am highly bullish on Bitcoin, that it will reach this point, just like Cathie Wood has spoken about it, Mark Cuban, Elon Musk obviously is highly bullish on it, but he obviously is asking about the green aspect, environmental favorable aspects of Bitcoin mining companies that if they can do something like that, they mine in a way that it's environment friendly, then for sure Bitcoin has a massive value and potential in the future. And talking about mining, I want to talk about one hot stock that is highly spoken about on Reddit forum these days. It's called Hut 8 Mining Corp from Canada. I personally think that this stock has massive potential, just like Riat and Mara. 1 year ago, these stocks were, let's look at Riat. 1 year ago was under 10 US dollars. So if we look at Riat, not even 1 year, it was December 11, you can see it was trading around $8, and right now it's trading in 36. At one point was 79 US dollars. It's mentioned 77 here, but if you look at it 1 year chart, you will see that it was exactly here, 1 year range. It was trading at 79 US dollars, and that's what I wanted to mention with Hut, that Hut 8 Mining Corp, the Canadian company, which is known to mine at this point 10 to 11 BTC Bitcoins per day. That especially after the gold mining geography, China is being shutting down their mining and Bitcoin in general, and like banning it. I think it gives a massive opportunity for the North America in general, and that's exactly what the Hut 8 Mining Corp CEO was talking about, that there is a lot of potential. And Kevin O'Leary was also speaking massively about North America should have more like mining corps and mining companies for cryptos in general, and that's why it's one of the leading mining company at this point. And I personally think that from this point onward, in the next few months, this stock will easily double, and that's why I'm highly bullish on it, and I'm considering this stock to add to my portfolio from Monday onward. So I wanted to talk about Bitcoin in general and about one of these hot stock, and I'm highly bullish on it. If you guys have any hard stock that you want me to cover and that I haven't seen and that you want me to have a look at, please put it in the comment and subscribe to my channel, become part of the community, because I'm gonna expand this channel. I'm gonna probably also bring slightly new forum, or so to say a platform, to my YouTube channel in the coming days as well. So stick around for that and become part of the community just like I mentioned, and I will see you in the next video.